I can still remember seeing an ad about, going and trying astrophotography. Ever since that night, I have been absolutely obsessed with the Warrumbungles. I visited the Warrumbungles over and over this winter, trying to find something that can't be found. The perfect photo. And although here we are now at the end of the season, and I never got that photo that I so desperately tried to get, but what I learnt along the way was it was never really about the photo. It's about the train bridge that I found on the side of the road on the way to the Warrumbungles and had the most magical night under the Milky Way taking photos. It's about the paddock that I stood in Corindi taking photos of a windmill while, the farmer that I'd just met that afternoon told me stories about his life and 60 years living on the farm out there. Like everything else in life, it's about the places you go, the people you see, and the experiences you have. The end goal, what we're all chasing in the end, really, it's irrelevant. It's all about the journey.